This is Gio, back with another unboxing of the Air Jordan 6 Maroon. So this is the confirmation paper. Now let's get to the actual shoe. Now the original release of this was in 1991. Instead of having that clear sole, they kind of clouded it up, and I actually like it. I wonder if it actually yellows. Now, like the OGs, it has the Nike Air, and then of course the Maroon Jumpman. The inside also has Nike Air. Inside the shoe also has a Nike Air. And the size tag inside. Let's see what else. It's just a regular Jordan box. Anyways, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe for more videos. Bye.